Hello friends and welcome back. We're gonna get a little vlog started. We actually just came from Dodd Cameras because I finally got my camera fixed after having this little vlog camera for so long, and it was always just like so dark and not the best quality. So we finally went in to the camera shop. I'm with mom right now, she's driving. Hi. And they fixed my brightness, which is amazing because this little Canon G7X is so perfect for on the go. It's so much lighter, so I'm just really happy that we got this fixed. It's currently Wednesday. We had a really great meeting this morning with the bookkeeper for emilyOandbows, and then it happened to be right next door to the cutest little coffee shop. So my mom and I popped in, we got a coffee, we got some avocado toast, I think I showed that. And we got the camera fixed. Now we're back in business. Back in business. I'm so happy we did that because I was just like about to be like, I need a new camera.
Well, and the nice thing is they're experts. They know
exactly.
They knew so much information.
She knew right away.
Tripod for you, a tabletop one.
Yes, we got like a little portable tripod for me to use if I need to like set you guys down somewhere. And then I got some really good lighting, like soft lighting for like Reels and Instagram. So feeling organized.
Oh, and you got the little phone clamp.
Oh yes.
That can go onto any tripod.
A phone clamp. So it's like, it'll stabilize my iPhone a lot better. They were just a wealth of information. It's good to go to a camera shop. Yeah.
Equipment.
Exactly. Equipment. Because things are always changing and things break. So now we are en route to go to J.Crew factory because there's one right near us. We're looking for outfits for the solar eclipse, which is next Monday. We're gonna look for like yellow or something cute and chic. So I'm gonna take you guys along for that as well. But kind of a dreary, gross Wednesday here in Ohio. Normally, Laura comes on Wednesdays for our Wednesday work days, but she is out of town this week for her family's spring break. So we just took this time to, you know, fill in with things to still be productive for the brand.
Yes.
So we will see you guys at J.Crew factory. Subscribe if you're new. We're gonna get this vlog started with our newfound fixed equipment, and we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, we're in J.Crew factory. We're looking for some stuff. They have so many new arrivals for spring. Obsessed. If you guys don't have a J.Crew factory near you, obviously you can order all this online. That's a really pretty dress.
Look at it, it's got a little bow.
I love.
And this little cutout.
It's super cute.
Smacked.
Okay.
I love this.
That's really cute. That probably would, Mom.
But I don't mind it. I'm not getting them. These are a pretty color if you needed a blue plate. It's a nice plate.
It's nice. It's a nice plate. So now we're at the Dollar Tree because we popped over here after J.Crew factory, which we got a lot. I'll do a haul. Actually, mostly Mom got stuff, which is great. We're looking for something yellow for the solar eclipse. We're not seeing it, but we honestly just haven't been here in a while. So I just showed those dishes that would be so cute for the spring, for Mother's Day. So wish us luck. After this, we're gonna go to J.Crew and we're gonna get a smoothie. We're just having an errands day because we've literally been in the house for the past 2 days and we needed to get out. We're getting smoothies. So excited, and some more coffee. We are in the drive-through line. So my mom and I swing by this little local coffee shop. I think this is our 3rd time this week. We have a problem. And we get these banana smoothies with peanut butter, and it has a little protein, and then we always get a coffee, and it's like the best breakfast lunch situation. It's so good because we had avocado toast at like 10, but we're getting hungry again because it's like 1 o'clock. Look how cute this sweater is, guys, from Talbots. It looks like on the mannequin. I'm obsessed. Okay, last errand we think for today. We're at Whole Foods. We're gonna get some flowers for the house to add some springness to it because it's bleak times, my ladies. Okay, so it's been a bit later. We had a really productive day of running errands. I tried to show as much as possible, but we ended with getting the flowers and we did some flower arrangements. I'm now getting ready because I kind of last minute got included in my parents' plans. They're going to this like cocktail party for an organization they're a part of, and then Claire and Connor were apparently going. So then my mom was like, well, could Emily come? So now I'm coming, which is fun because I had Obviously no plans tonight, it's a Wednesday, but I really did like kind of getting out and about today. So I'm just doing my makeup, and then midway through I was like, wait, I should probably vlog. I use the Laura Mercier, I think that's how you say it, setting powder. My face is so dry right now, like to the point where my foundation is not sitting well. But I do have this really great makeup mirror that I just unplugged. Really great makeup mirror from Amazon. So I just sit at my desk and do my makeup. Now I'm gonna go in with my Hoola bronzer because my light keeps going out because I'm so pale. So let's just chuck that on. Since it's quite gloom and doom out, I think I'm just gonna do like all black. So probably my Veronica Beard blazer. I might just keep on my same pants that I've had on all day. They're my rag and bone jeans, like a crop jean. Now I'm gonna go in with my Jones Road Beauty, if this will focus. Jones Road Beauty blush. I've talked about this on the podcast before. It's really lovely. They gifted this to me and it's just like the prettiest blush. I'm gonna go in with that. I have a pimple right, okay, my light just went out. I have a pimple right on my cheek, so that's fun. I'm gonna brush out my eyebrows. Blend this out. Set it with my Morphe setting spray. And we're good to go. Now we need to get dressed. I'm wearing just this little gray sweater from Sezane. So that's the makeup. It's really simple. My hair's not looking the best, but this is all kind of last minute, so we'll take what we can get. Okay, so today at Talbots, I actually got some new basics along with the outfit that I'm wearing for the solar eclipse. I got a butter yellow sweater. My mom was raving today about Talbots basics, so I got a plain white t-shirt and a black t-shirt. Honestly, it's super soft. Love the material. She said they feel like onesies, so they were pretty reasonably priced. They're $39.50. So I'm gonna start with this and then do my Veronica Beard blazer. So let's go ahead and get dressed for tonight. This is what I'm wearing. Black Veronica Beard blazer, the new Talbots top from today, my Celine belt, earrings we also got today from J.Crew factory. They're like these little gold studs. My purse, little pop of spring, is from Tree. It's a French brand, so cute. I think I've shown this on YouTube. My black Legends pants, and then these little suede booties from Zara. I'm gonna bring my other camera and I will talk to you ladies in the car. Hi guys, happy Thursday. I'm all ready to go and we are heading downtown for a little lunch meeting with the designer. This is what I'm wearing. I have on this really cute pink sweater that's old from Anthropologie, my emilyOandbows scarf, my Sezane pink coat, my Goyard, I just ran up the stairs, my Chanel ballet flats, and then my rag and bone jeans. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys in the car, but we're gonna get this vlog started for today. Okay, hi friends. So it is now the end of the day on Thursday. I have just had such a fun, different day. So the designer was here in the morning. That's kind of when I tuned into you guys. She came over to review a lot of different things for the new house, get approval on a lot of items that they are set to order. So I sat in for that meeting, which was super interesting. She was here for like 2 hours at the house, and then she had to take a picture of all of our artwork and measure our artwork. And then we all went to lunch together at the Union Club downtown. And then we went to Bonfoy Art Gallery, which is a very like well-known art gallery in Cleveland, and we were there for probably like 2 hours, and we met with someone there and like showed them the plans of the house, showed them all of the fabric and finishes, and then we walked around the gallery and found a few pieces of artwork for the new house. It was such like a fun escape from everything and a nice distraction. And I could just really feel myself like relaxing, looking at the art and like kind of having a purpose to finding pieces. And it's so interesting how when you see a piece that you really do like, it can really spark joy. So that was just a super interesting experience. And then we met my dad at this restaurant that we honestly have not been to in, at least I haven't, in years. It's a really cute restaurant. It's like 5 minutes from where we live. So then we had a little dinner. Now we're home. Hopefully I showed enough from today, but it was very much go, go, go. I am going to shower and wash my hair because tomorrow's Friday. I have a lot of plans and I just want to make sure that it looks fresh, and then I'm probably gonna do a bunch of work this evening just because I was doing some stuff, but obviously like I was sitting in on some of the meetings from today. But I'm gonna pick up the vlog camera tomorrow, continue this vlog. It was a really interesting day and I always learn a lot during these decorator designer meetings just because it's so fascinating. So that is my little Thursday update. Hi girls, happy Friday. Day really got away from me as far as vlogging, but all you missed is editing my Palm Beach vlog for a while. Set up some new equipment with Anne, and then we've been shooting some looks because I always try to get some content shot on Fridays before the weekend. I have a fresh tan on and we just shot a bunch of Unger looks because they actually sent me 4 beautiful pieces. So if you want the details, go check out my Instagram. I'm wearing this really pretty sleeveless sweater with these super cool white shorts from Amazon and then these little blue heels that were sent to me from Moondell. We're gonna shoot one more thing. It's like 5:30 and then tonight we have a lot of fun plans. Well, one fun plan. It is Connor's birthday on Monday, so tonight him and his friends are having a little bar crawl. So we are doing that tonight. So I'm gonna finish shooting this one last little reel showing like a really cute home decor piece for really all seasons, but specifically we're gonna show it for spring and summer. And then we are going to change into my going out look, which unfortunately I cannot be in these wonderful vibes that I'm currently wearing because it's freezing outside. It started snowing earlier. So we'll figure that out. But that is my Friday update. I will obviously vlog tonight to get the weekend started. But yeah, lots of fun things coming ahead. Hi guys. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing for Connor's bar crawl. I have a jean jacket. My purse is old from Zara, this little bodysuit from Zara. Earrings are Madewell, Legence jeans, and then Madewell booties. This is like my little winter uniform, and then this new bracelet from J.Crew factory. Hello, happy Saturday, girls. Wow, what a day. It's already been so crazy. Today, Anne and I recorded the podcast. We ran some errands. I did a bunch of work in the morning. We're getting ready for Solar Eclipse Day on Monday. So my mom decided to go to the grocery store today, which I'm so happy she did. She's so happy she did because I think it's gonna get really busy. It's freezing upstairs on the 2nd floor. I just raised the heat. It's not even that cold out. I am just in this little aqua Bloomingdale's sweater. This is what I wore to record the podcast, but I'm going to wash my face, do my makeup, and then figure out an outfit because I am going over to some friends' houses. There's a bunch of people pulling up right now. I think there's like a party going on because I'm going to watch a March Madness game with some people outside by like a fire pit, so it'll be pretty casual. So we need to figure out an outfit. I have something in mind because I think Elizabeth left this really cute quilted jacket behind, or maybe she took it. I need to find it. I would love if she left it behind because it would be perfect for tonight. And my room's kind of a mess just from like recording, so clean that up, get ready, get going, and head out the door. Anne and Terry went to this very cool event tonight that I was not invited to, which I'm kind of salty about, but it's like this dinner thing, cocktail party, so they're gone. So yeah, I'm gonna get all ready to go. It was a good Saturday though, and then tomorrow we're going up to our lake house to get ready for the solar eclipse because the entire city of Cleveland is being infiltrated because it's opening day on Monday for the Guardians for baseball. The women's Final Four is happening this weekend, and then the solar eclipse, and we are expecting around over 1 million people coming to Cleveland, which is crazy. So we're doing like a big lunch for the solar eclipse with some friends, and then it's also Connor's birthday, so we're celebrating him and his parents are coming up. It's gonna be really fun. I'm glad we're doing something. Hello friends, welcome back. Happy Sunday. We are up at our lake house. We are here for the night. It actually doesn't even feel like a Sunday. It's so fun. We're kind of switching it up. So tomorrow is the solar eclipse on Monday, April 9th, and then it's also my brother-in-law's birthday, Connor, tomorrow. You guys know Connor, obviously. I don't know why I said it like that, but it's also his birthday. So we are just really making an event out of this. We are all staying overnight today at our lake house, and then tomorrow at noon, we are having some family and friends over for a solar eclipse lunch slash birthday party, which is gonna be so fabulous. Of course, my camera just died, but as I was saying, Claire and Connor are staying overnight. Obviously, we are. So that way we can just wake up and no one has to go on the roads tomorrow. So anyway, we are here. We set everything up. We brought a lot of food up for tomorrow's festivities. And now we're going to our favorite French restaurant for dinner, a little Sunday evening dinner. It's the most gorgeous day out. So this is what I'm wearing for dinner. I have on this J.Crew factory jean top with this tie, and then I just kind of like French tucked it into these white ecru pants from Madewell, and then I have on these little suede booties from Zara, and then my purse is from Destry and little gold earrings. So it's your birthday. Sorry.
I saw a TikTok video of a woman that then smacked her head on the
I would do something like that. Hello, friends. Happy solar eclipse, but more importantly, happy birthday to Connor.
Yes.
So we are here at our lake house. It is Monday, April 8th.
Yep.
And we're having a little birthday party for Connor. We're celebrating the eclipse. It's a beautiful day. It's sunny. All of the ladies are in butter yellow, as is Dad. So we wanted to share our looks. Claire, what are you wearing?
So I am wearing, this is all from Talbots, right? So this is a jean jacket with short sleeves, which I love, from Talbots. David Yurman bracelets, white top. I think this is from Madewell, just a good basic. Cute. And then, I don't know how far we can go, but these pants are J.Crew factory, and then these shoes are J.Crew factory.
I like how you paired that with an espadrille.
Thanks.
So I am also wearing butter yellow. We found this long cardigan from Talbots. Shirt is from Talbots. Jeans are older J.Crew, but still really cute. And then I have these really cute little raffia ballet flats from Sam Edelman, and just little gold drop down earrings. And Talbots had the best butter yellow option.
I know, I love it.
We went to J.Crew, we went to Anthropologie. I feel like you'll wear this again too.
Yeah,
like
it's adorable.
In the spring. So let me show you the setup that Mom has, and Connor's parents just arrived, and we're just gonna have a really fun time.
It's so fun. We miss our eBay.
I know, she was texting and she was like,
she called everybody.
She was calling me. I'm like, honey, I can't talk right now. The party just started. So we miss her, but we're having a good time. Okay, so we just went around a little walk in the neighborhood, and then when we came back, my mom has the whole setup for lunch, so I wanted to show before everyone like digs in. So we're doing a big lunch, so we have lots of different breads. We have a little deli tray with some fresh cheese and lunch meat. We have chicken salad that people can do if they want to make a sandwich, or on a bed of lettuce, condiments, tomatoes, lettuce, a big fruit salad, lots of veggies, some sun chips for the theme, and then we have some pickles. And then we're using the purse hanger hack, and we have this banner that says, "You are my sunshine." Then she tied yellow ribbon on the purse hangers. And then we have our table all set up, and she did yellow flower arrangements, and she just got these new vases from Michael's online, so I'll leave a link. And then she got these really cute cookies that say Totality 2024. And then we have all of the sweets. We have so many things, and we just got this cake made, and it looks like the sun. So all of the birthday stuff for the birthday boy. On the wet bar, we have some lemonade, and we have some iced tea, and then we also have some sparkling water. We have another table set up, that way everyone has a space to sit. Happy birthday